Howdy. Welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. You want to treat your kids with love? Try homemade gummy bears. You can make them out of Kool Aid, or you can use your favorite juice of your choice. Or you need a little bit of gelatin from the grocery store. You want to know how? Follow me along in this video.
My God, what did you eat?
Okay, that was pretty simple. Now let's see how it works out with juice. Oh yeah, they're gummy. Definitely gummy. Homemade gummy bears. Your kids will love them, and you'll love them too. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.